Welcome back here to CBS12 News at 9. Kids heading back to school in less than 2 weeks. Many of them need health checkups to make sure they are ready. And tomorrow, the T. Leroy Jefferson Medical Social is holding its 21st annual community health fair in Riviera Beach. And joining us live to talk about it is Dr. Kitonga Camino, infectious disease specialist. Thank you, doctor, so much for being here with us. What can you tell us about this great health fair happening this weekend?
Well, thank you, Matt. Again, T. Leroy Jefferson Medical Society has been doing a back-to-school health fair for this will be our 21st year doing this. And this is part of our mission to reach out to not only improve health and wellness, but improve access to health and wellness. And that's what this event is all about.
So why are exams, these sort of things that are happening, so critical for children?
Well, in the midst of COVID, we know that it's been very difficult for a lot of families to get their children's exams and shots up to date. And so this particular event at the Max Fisher Boys and Girls Club this weekend is geared for those school-age children who are underinsured or uninsured, who need access to health physicals, ear, eye, and dental screenings, because as we all know, these are the key things that are part of our general health. And so we're going to offer this and have something for the families as well. We'll have health vendors, we'll have music, we'll have food. We'll also have a men's health room and a mental health room as well for the adults when they accompany their children.
So you say you're having an area for men's health. What's going on in that section and why is it so important?
Of life. And so we're going to have a room specifically set aside for men who have questions regarding anything from diabetes to foot care to infections, general health, hypertension, things like that. Because again, in the midst of COVID, a lot of these medical issues were not addressed as well as we'd like to, and we'd like to be able to answer these questions for our community.
These health fairs are an extension of the legacy of Dr. T. Leroy Jefferson. Why is it so important to keep his legacy alive?
Absolutely. So Dr. T. Leroy Jefferson was the first African-American physician here in Palm Beach County. He actually used to ride his bicycle from door to door. And so while we may not be able to do that in 2022, what we're doing is we're going out into the community at Max Fisher Boys and Girls Club in Riviera Beach this weekend to be there with our community, provide services that are much needed.
All right, Dr. Camino, right now we've got the details on the screen for everything happening tomorrow, 9 to 2 at the Max M. Fisher Boys and Girls Club. That's right in Riviera Beach. It is free, children's physicals, but like you said, so much more than that. Men's health, fun, food, all sorts of great stuff. Dr. Camino, thank you so much for joining us.